Hi, I'm Greg Clement, the owner of Mapleside Farms in Brunswick, and we worked with Ed at Pilot Signs to put a new sign up. You know, they had a sign that probably was here for 25 to 30 years, so it really needed, you know, to either be put back in shape or completely replaced. So we reached out to Ed. It's almost impossible to find people that take their businesses as serious as Ed does, but we're going to be eternally grateful. You know, your main street sign is one of the most important marketing tools you have as a business owner, and I couldn't be more excited and more happy than we are with ours. So if you got a chance to work with that, I would absolutely recommend you do that. On a 1 to 10 scale, I'd give this guy an 11. He's absolutely incredible to work with, and obviously the finished product looks phenomenal.